In this lesson, we're going to learn how to find a missing number by using a subtraction sentence. So if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number, and we have some big numbers here, 84,375 minus something equals 81,287. So the first step is to convert this to a subtraction sentence. It'll be the best way to solve this. So it'll look like this. So 84,375 minus a question mark equals 81,287. So the next step is to subtract 81287 from both sides of the equal sign. So we're going to subtract it from this side of the equation and also this side of the equation or sentence. So it'll look like this. 84375 minus 81287 minus question mark equals 81287 minus 81287. Well, 81287 minus 81287 is going to be 0, right? Because you're subtracting something from itself, then you're left with nothing. So when you calculate this out, you're left with 3088 minus question mark equals 0. So remember that when subtracting a number from itself, the answer is 0. So we need to subtract 3088 minus 3088 to get 0. So the question mark must be equal to 3088 to make this statement or sentence true. So now the final step is to check your answer. So let's go and do that. And let's calculate it by hand just to see. So 5 minus 7 we can't do, so let's borrow from the 7. 7 becomes a 6, and this 5 here becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 8 we can't do, so we need to borrow from the 3. The 3 becomes a 2, and this 6 here becomes 16. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Now 2 minus 0 we can do, it's just 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus nothing is 8. And that matches up to the answer, 81287. So let's give ourselves a big check mark that that's done. Okay, so don't worry if you don't get this right away. Just rewatch the video. You might be just one explanation away from understanding it. So just keep in mind that to do a subtraction like this, you would have to subtract the answer from both sides to get the number that you're looking for. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As well, there's an ebook available that you could download and you could follow this exact lesson in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening.